Welcome to another adventure with Getting Lost. Today we're still at HortPark because we're doing part 2 of our HortPark adventure. We'll start today at this nice little landscape garden, which is right in front of the visitor center, where we'll go to the next section and we will continue back walking along the main road. Like I told you, HortPark itself, there's one main road that runs through the park itself. So basically just walk back and forth on this main road itself, and then you just pop to the right or to the left to visit all the little small gardens or featured gardens to see all the interesting things. So previously I told you there was actually a playground. Well, to the left here, it is the playground. So like I said, you can bring your kids here. The kids will, if they're bored, you can leave them here at the playground, where they can enjoy all the different playground items and the fresh air. Like I said, this place here is connected to the southern ridges. Okay, so the environment is very calm, pleasing, and green. So let's get out of the playground and see what else we can find around here. So we're back on the main road itself. Head down here, and on your left here is what we have called a edible garden. Yes, edible garden. That means that they grow plants with edible that you can eat. But since this is the park itself, we cannot really eat the vegetables here. We can't even pick them. We just can observe them. And let's see what we can find. First of all, here they call it chili pepper, but it's purple in color. I have never seen a purple chili before. Maybe they will change color when they ripen. I don't know. But a purple chili, I wonder whether it's spicy. This is a strawberry field. I think this is a... You can grow strawberries in Singapore. Maybe it's a mock strawberry. And then this is some kind of a purple kind of wheat. I think some people use this to make purple corn chips. I don't know. And these are ladies' fingers. Look at that. Unripened yet, but these are ladies' fingers. So this is how the plant looks like. So before it's ripe, it's pointing up. Then when it's ripe, it will go down and turn green. Interesting. Black amber. I think this is some kind of sorghum, which I think is some kind of wheat that you can use it to grind into make it to flour, a certain type of flour that you don't normally have in Southeast Asia. White pearl. Something else I haven't heard of before. I wonder whether it's the leaf or the flower. And then we have so many things here. I think probably some greens here that you can eat. Let's see what we can find. Oh, let's see here. I think this is some kind of vegetable that you can eat. And then you come to these wines here. Here inside here, there's actually some kind of like a gourd or a melon, kind of a gourd melon, something like that. Look at that. That's a bigger one. Look how huge it goes. One of those vegetable melons. Look at the yellow flower there. I think that looks like chrysanthemum to me. It's a purple flower. Oh, laksa leaf. This is what you put in the laksa. They have lots and lots of it here. I know this one. This is what you put in the laksa. When you eat your laksa, sometimes they'll put some leaves on top. This is the laksa leaf to add in the fragrance of the laksa. Bentong. I thought that was the name of a place. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, there's so many things here that I don't recognize. Because I'm a city boy. I am not a kampong boy. Duck opal. Looks like some kind of salad. And then some kind of like beans here. Anyway, that was the edible garden. Interesting, wasn't it? Now we are back at the main road, and if we turn right here, there's a small little garden here where they grow orchids. Orchids. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Somehow orchids are one of those type of flowers that people can actually breed. Certain features they want, certain colors, certain strain, you know, that they want to preserve. They are able to crossbreed it and breed into a wide variety of different colors and different shapes and you know, and different types of flowers. It's just amazing what people have done with that. Look at that. You know, you have thin flowers, you have thick flowers. The shape also is different, you know. The petal size also different. So interesting that these are all bred into the species. Look at that. That the flower and this flower look totally different. I mean, you know, you can't even tell that they are the same species. Look at this, another big yellow one here. Look at that, which looks like, I don't know about you, but I find it's so interesting. Look at that. This one looks more like a insect than a flower. And they also have a lot of different funny names because the people who created the strain can name the flower. And I actually visited this place after it rained, so you can see all the flowers are all nice and refreshed and glistening from the rain. Look at the sky, nice and blue after a rain. But look at this flower one. This one is yellow and brown. Who would have thought there would be a brown orchid? Look at this. This one, the flower is so white and looks like a different species than all the others. Look at this yellow one here. As I keep walking down the road, that main road I was telling you about, okay, you'll come to this covered area here where you can take a break. You know, there's some vending machines here. But what's interesting here is this plant. The leaf color of the plant is green with white and red. It looks like someone painted the red on the plant, but it's not. This is the actual color of the plant. Okay, if you head further down here, this is the irrigation pond. This is where they keep water so that they can water all the plants. You know, that naturally occurring water. And if you just keep walking down the road, you'll reach the greenhouses where they do all the research. Okay. Then in front of the greenhouses are like some nice trees. Anyway, that was our adventure to HortPark. It's a very interesting place. Not too big, so you can walk easily. You know, it won't be too tiring. And lots of interesting things to see and play. So if you are thinking of starting any adventure, this is a good place to start. And of course, as per usual, what you need to do is you need to like, share, and subscribe to my video, and tell your friends to do that too. And don't forget to join me for my next adventure. Bye bye.